Hi, Makai. Okay. So you can keep yourself off mute. I'm fine with it. Some of you have different things going on today, and I'm fine with it as long as you're participating, raising your hand, answering questions. Larmont, I'm so glad you're back. I saw you for a few seconds earlier, and you decided to come back this afternoon. Okay. All right. So I'm going to share my screen. Hold on tight. I will disappear for a few seconds. Okay. As soon as you see my document camera, show me a thumbs up, okay? So when you have a question, raise a silent hand. To answer the question, thumb up. To say yes, thumb down to say no, okay? So I'm gonna share my screen. I will disappear. You will see my camera. You cannot see me, but I can see you. Okay. All right. So Elijah, keep the background that you have. Yeah, it takes about 5 seconds. Ty, anywhere between 3 to 5 seconds. I started counting. That's how much I love math. I count time. I count numbers. It's one of those things. Okay. All right, Ty, thank you so much. Okay. All righty. Elijah, you don't see it? Okay, I'll just wait a second. I'm telling you, as soon as I start recording, everything gets kooky. Okay. Arden, do you see my document camera, Arden? Okay. Elijah, you good to go? Okay. All righty. Whenever I, for some kooky reason, start sharing my screen, and thank you, Oliver. The Zoom, it doesn't stay on gallery view. So I have to kind of scroll back and forth, okay? So based on that, if you have a question or a comment, just unmute and I will be flipping through to make sure that I have my eyes on you, okay? So what have you guys been working on lately at home? What have you guys been doing for science or math? Anything fun, interesting?
Oh, at my home, I mostly play video games.
Oh, so I'm talking about school-related stuff like math and science.
I really don't do that because I kind of forget on those assignments I have to do at home.
Okay. Well,
I also like doing video games, and I play this game with my cousin a lot because I can call him. We play Roblox and like we play fun games. There's like a million games on Roblox.
there is.
One there's called Iron Man Simulator.
Probably a trillion.
In chat, and then you get to pick your own Iron Man suit. And I usually be golden because it can go in space.
Okay. Well, my question
There's
was
probably a trillion games on there.
Okay. Hold on to that thought. My question was like, what are you doing for school, like math and science?
I probably do. My favorite one has to be math because reading not funny, you funny. Because
Okay.
reading serious, math funny.
Okay. All right.
Just
Okay.
have to put it out there.
Just to put it out there. Okay. Well, thank you, Todd. Yes, Larmont.
Math because math is my favorite because I like the assessments you be giving us.
Oh, you're great. Okay. Oh, Larmont.
I like language arts on Odyssey. And the math.
I just have to tell you something. I want the questions harder. Every second done. Every second done. Every second done.
Okay, okay. All right, Elijah, tell me what you've been working on, something that you have liked doing.
I like math because the games that you assign.
Oh my goodness. You guys gonna make me cry, but I won't do that. Okay, oh, I love this feeling. Okay, guys, listen. So here is today's objective. This is what you will be able to do. Be able to add. So what are we going to be able to do? Add 2-digit numbers. What is a 2-digit number? 33, 34. It's a 2-digit number. It has
two numbers in it.
Okay, listen. With multiples of 10. Multiples of 10? Uh-oh. Those are numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, or a 2-digit number, or any 2-digit number. It's a lot of information using concrete models or pictures. So in short, you're going to be able to add 2-digit numbers with multiples of 10 or any 2-digit number. Okay. Now listen, guys, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Okay. So in short, you're going to show me that you can add 2-digit numbers. And I know you know how to do it, okay? But we're going to use different models, different examples. Now, as I'm teaching, Ty, if you're going to look like you're falling asleep, then I'm going to need you to kind of get up, okay? Because this is kind of like school, okay? So stay engaged. Raise a silent hand. I will be asking you guys some questions. Okay? All right. I'm going to share my screen one more time. Okay. All right. So here's a question. Now remember, when we're adding, we can always use pictures or models. Okay? So I have the example 23 plus 60. Okay? And I have another equation right here. Can someone tell me how these two equations, are they the same? Are they different? Go ahead, Larmon, are these two equations the same or different?
Different.
Look at your numbers again.
They're kind of the same, actually, because they're both
Either the same or they're not the
addition.
same. What number do I have here, Larmont? Thank you, Elijah.
23.
Do I have 23 right there?
Yeah.
Okay, Elijah, what number do I have here? Do I have 60 over there?
Yes.
So they're the same. So these are the same numbers. Now I can either write my addition horizontally or vertically. Okay, I have two choices. It's the same exact example. Now guys, when you see numbers this way, you got to think of it like this. Remember, place value. I know you guys know this. Ones, tens, okay? So think ones and then tens, okay? Now watch me as I do this, okay? Now I'm checking to make sure you guys are all paying attention, all right? Okay, so I have 3 ones as a picture. I have 1, 2, 3, 3 counters, and I have 0 counters. Well, anything plus 0 is that number. So that's 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Now we've done this before. Well, let me add my tens. I have 2 tens. And then I have 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6, 7, 8. The answer is 83. Okay? So you can either solve math problems horizontally or vertically, always using models and different pictures. But what would you do if you had an example like add 37 plus 20? Let me write that here. 37 plus 20. I'm not going to use 23. What is 37 plus 20? All right, I want you to watch me. Yep, Elijah, hold on tight, cutie pie. Okay, I'm going to start at 37. Now I have to add 20. So it's either 2 10s or 21s. Do you really think that I want to add 21s? There is no way. So what I can do, Makai and Larmont, trying to get you guys, Larmont, just make sure you're paying attention. So I can either add 21s, that kind of looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, listen, that took me too long. I know that I can use this number line and count down by tens. 10, 20. Where did I stop? I stopped at the number 57. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So when I use a 100 chart, to add, I start at a number, and if I'm adding multiples of 10, I count down 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, whatever I'm adding. Okay, I'm going to share my screen again. Just checking to make sure I have everyone's attention. Larmont, do I have your attention? Good job. All right. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to disappear for a second. I'm going to go in like Zoom land somewhere. You never know where you're going to end up. Okay. All right. So I had 37. I had to add 20. 20 is 21. It's also 2 10s. It's faster to go 10, 20. Okay. Now, I'm going to give this example to someone. Elijah, you ready for an example? Okay, Elijah. 19 plus 20. Elijah, I'm going to circle the number 19. I want you to tell me what you can do to add 20. Now we have to think place value. 20 is the same as 2 10s. 20 is also 21. So what would you like to do, Elijah?
I would like to count by tens.
You're a smart cookie.
Tens.
So tell me what that looks like.
39.
Okay, so you didn't count 21s, Elijah.
What'd you say?
So you didn't count 21s, Elijah?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So Elijah, what is 10 more than 19?
29.
What is 10 more than 29?
39.
Okay, good. Good job, Elijah. Okay, Arden, this one is for you. You ready, Arden? And then Ty, you are next. And then Makai and Larmont. Okay, Arden. 23 plus 40. I circled 23 because that's where I started. You have two choices. We're using this number line to add. We're using a model to show addition. Tell me what you would do. 23 plus 40.
I would count by tens.
You're smart. You're a smart cookie yet. Okay. So 23. What is 10 more?
It's 53. Like 5 free.
Okay, we're adding 40. Okay.
That's 4. That's 4 more.
More than 23.
That's 4 more.
Arden, where did you stop on your 100 chart? What is 23 plus 40? Where did you stop?
I stopped at 53.
Oh.
Like 5 free. Because that's 4 more.
20, 30. Are you sure you stopped at 53?
I counted 4 more.
Okay. So 10, 20, 30. Where did you stop?
At I meant 63.
Ah, okay. Larmont,
I realized my
Good job.
mistake.
the next one is for you, Larmont. 39 plus 30, Larmont. And then Makai.
I'll count by tens.
Go ahead.
Six, 69.
Okay. So 10, 20, 30. 69. Is that right? Is that right, Larmont? Larmont, is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Makai and then Oliver. Makai, this is for you. 78 plus 20, Makai, and then Oliver, the next one is for you. Tell me what you would do.
That's gotta be, so
Count
the
by
10's
10.
gotta be 9. And
No, talk to her. Talk to her.
it's 98.
Okay. Tell me what you did.
I added the two. I added
Yeah, I
the
know that.
10s first, and then it was 9, and then I added a 8 in the ones place.
So you did 2 10s.
Makai,
Makai, could you have counted 21s? Could you have done that, Makai, if you wanted to?
Can you count by tens?
10s.
Tell her.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Oliver, he decided to count by 10s. He said he could have counted by 1s. Which way is better? To count by 10s or to count by 1s for 78 plus 20?
Count by tens.
10s.
That's what you should have said. So we counted.
Which one's a better option? Counting by 10s, Oliver, or by 1s?
I got 2
10s. Why is it better to count by 10s and not 1s?
If you count by 10, it'd probably be faster than count by 1.
Good. Very, very good. Ty, this one is for you. Okay. 87 plus 10. Ty, what would you do?
97.
Oh, you didn't even give me a second. 87 and 10 more is 97. Okay. Oliver, this one is for you.
What? Yeah.
Okay, Oliver, 73 plus 20. What would you do? I'll start you off.
Yes.
What would you do, Oliver? 73 plus 20.
73. 93.
Okay, tell me what you did.
I count by tens.
Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Okay. Now, is it faster to count by ones or tens? Raise a silent hand. Elijah.
It is
It's
faster
easier to count by tens.
Listen, when you guys, when we start counting with money, you're gonna see the importance of knowing how to count by tens, right? It's like 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents if we're counting our dimes. Okay? So when you are adding vertically up and down, always start with the ones place, then start with the tens place. Okay, are there any questions for today? No? Okay, so we're gonna end here and I will see you, hold on, Ty. I will see you guys on Thursday, if not next week. So you can log off. Yep, Ty, hold on. Larmont, matter of fact, Larmont, stay there real quick.
Right.
Okay. Ty, what's your question real quick? Because I have to speak to Larmont.
This is what I feel like right now.
What's, okay, I'm gonna